hibernating there? Huh? Are you hibernating? 'Cause it's winter? I know, it's cold, huh? And mommy disturb you, huh? You're hibernating. Yeah. Mommy can't talk. Yeah. She can't pronounce that word. What's new, right? Oh. You've been there sleeping a while. Yeah. And mommy just woke you up, huh? Mommy wants to make sure that everything is okay with you. Yeah. Mommy just wants you to also eat. Yeah. I love you, Jasper. I love you. Subscribe, like, and share. You want to go back? Go ahead. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. No? Okay. That's a no-no. All right, my friends. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.